Hello everyone, this is a video about this microphone. This one is very rare and the model number is ECM101, and this one is brand new, never used, and although it's battered because in the post was posted like so, and maybe in the storage was stored like this as well, so it's really a gem of a microphone, and I tell you why. First of all, let's see how this one works, with what models they are selling this, and identical to this one in black is being sold with WMD6C, and let's have a look at this. Microphone and condenser electret stereo, which means your ECM101 features, and all of this is really very good. And I have to tell you, this one takes a battery, and because it's very old, it used to take one of these batteries, but the mercury type that is going to last a long time. But since then, this botton battery is being depleted, and the mercury batteries, they are not going to rust or oxidize as much as these ones if you leave it inside. But still, I haven't been seen any Duracell or good quality batteries like Warta and so on to oxidize so badly like the cheap and generic ones. So I show you the let's see how I can show you all of this. And here, let me just read it quickly. A stereo mini plug output for direct mounting to a compact stereo cassette recorder. New undersized unidirectional back electret condenser capsules. Before using, please read this instruction. For further information, read the enclosed manual. And these are in different languages. And then we come in here, how to use, and it shows you these. You have left and right, and switch for the turning the battery, turning the power on for this, and somehow is just multiplies the receiving of sound quality and recording quality. A stereo mini plug here, right speaker, left speaker, and here it says front, and here it just says to microphone, input a stereo mini jack, and here it says a stereo cassette recorder, and at the bottom it says when the microphone input is located on the side, yes, and here it says red, it means the right, and left, white means left. And if you connect it to a mono, is only recorded from the left side. Here it says if the plug is connected to a monaural microphone input mini jack, the sound is picked up only from the left microphone. And these are the same different languages, so it says point it like that. So now let's open it and see what we have inside. And we have such an extensive user manual that it's in several languages, but it's more or less says the same that was said at the back of this unit. And here what we have is the unit itself with somehow a sponge buffering, you know, now window screen, and then the battery. And this is the original battery that it came with it. Just look at it, look at the number. Just Google the number, and or eBay or Amazon, you cannot find this. And there are some sort of adapters that you put another battery inside here as an adapter. And how much is the adapter? Something like 40 to 50 pounds just for an adapter. So now you can use these batteries. Is the same size, the same, everything is the same, the depth and height, and you know, the voltage. So you can use this. And now the microphone itself, and we just put everything inside here, and this one as well. So now look at this gem, is brand new. And this is not a light, this is just to switch it on with the battery on, and when you want to turn it off, you just press this or pull this back down. And in order to open this, you just have to pull this, but I have to do it off camera. Well, look at the quality, it is brand new, it doesn't have any scratches. This microphone in itself is something like 50 pounds if you can find it. So this one is very rare and made in Japan, and the stereo. Let me just open this to show you the battery compartment. In order to open it, you just pull this gently up, and there is the battery compartment. And this battery is just multiplies or amplifies the receiving sound quality that this one can handle. So when you're turning it on, be careful or make sure that the recording volume is at the lowest. And the way to put this back on is just this slot here, and that hole there is for the power button. That is goes in there and clicks back in place. Electret condenser microphone. So this one is a gem of a microphone from ages ago. I think it's from 80s. So it's rather very old, but it still does the job. Anyway, whenever if you require me to just demonstrate this, just leave a comment down below. I maybe do a demonstration with the WM-D6C or something of that sense. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.